Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, it's weekend. Hi everyone. Welcome. Today on Saturday. Yes, let me show you. It's Saturday. Saturday, September the 23rd, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku, and we have also a Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, the Samurai Sudoku I will solve tomorrow evening, Sunday evening. And I will start with this one, the Medium Sudoku, in later on. In this newspaper of Saturday, September 23rd, 2023. Not so good news because we have only one puzzle page. The puzzle page contains the tectonic, the binary, two binaries 10 by 10, and two Sudokus with 3 stars. Here one, there one, and the last puzzle is a killer Sudoku. We have in this puzzle, in this newspaper, in the weekend edition, no extra puzzles, no additional with 7 extra puzzles. What I will do tomorrow on Sunday evening, I have a Samurai Sudoku, but in the afternoon I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page of today, but also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Yeah, the Friday edition. Alright. Alright. This Sudoku I will solve now. The medium Sudoku. Let me position the light. And this one will be number 7146. 7146. Let me zoom this. Alright. 7146. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me zoom this. Oh, too much. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row? So in the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. Then 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 2 should be there. 1, 4, 8, 8. 4, 1, 1, 4, 8. 6, 6. We have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place level 8 should be there. Need 8 there. Need a 9 there, yeah. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes. In the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 7. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in this box. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 1, the 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. The 6 in this column, the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the row below, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be here. Okay. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 cannot continue with the 7 now. How about the 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 3 should be there. Need a 9 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need a 9 here. Need a 3 here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. Alright. 1, 5, 7. Do we have all the 8s? No. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright, 4, 4. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have 2 and a 4 in the second column, so no 2 and 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this last column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Okay, so 1 digit left for the number. For the number, let me, the 1 of course. 1 number left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 4, well. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the mass. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the bar. 1. Then. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square for numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah, 1 box left in this column for number, I believe the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes here. 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Finishing in 12 minutes. Well. 12 minutes. Don't think it's a 2 stars. It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.